How can you use inch models to measure length?
Well, hi there. My friend Carlos, the caterpillar, likes to stretch out and rest sometimes. He's resting on this leaf now. Carlos was wondering about the length of the leaf. Click. See that tile? I wonder how many tiles could be lined up to show how long the leaf is. How can we use the tiles to find the length of the leaf? Come on, let's see how we can measure length using inch models.
Let's use color tiles to measure the length of the chenille stick. Start by putting the left edge of the first tile under the left edge of the chenille stick. Now, let's add tiles side by side until they make a row as long as the chenille stick. Don't leave any gaps between the tiles. That's 3 tiles, 4 tiles, 5 tiles. So how long is the chenille stick? The chenille stick is 5 color tiles long. Now, let's use color tiles to measure the length of this chenille stick. Line up the left edge of the first tile with the left edge of the chenille stick. Then add tiles side by side without gaps or overlap. 1 tile, 2 tiles, 3 tiles. How long is the brown chenille stick? This chenille stick is 3 color tiles long. Color tiles are a good tool for measuring length. Because the tiles are all the same size, the measurements will be the same for everyone. About how many inches long is this string? You can measure the length of the string by matching it to the length of a row of color tiles. Count the color tiles to measure the length of the string. The string is 2 color tiles long. Each color tile is about 1 inch long. There are 2 tiles, so about how many inches long is the string? You're right. This string is 2 color tiles long, so it's about 2 inches long. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
And welcome to another edition of Aftermath, the show when something strange or funny, or strange and funny, happens aftermath.
Are you ready?
I thought you'd never ask.
All right, let's check it out. Here's our challenge. So, blue paper chains are 9 inches long.
Oh.
And red paper chains are 4 inches long. The question is, how many are needed to have a 22-inch paper chain? Okay, let's think about it now. So here we're looking at the lengths of these paper chains. And so we see that the blues are 9 inches long and the reds are 4 inches long. And you can see that's a lot shorter than the 9.
Sure is.
Okay, so we're trying to get 22 inches. So let's start with a 9-inch paper chain. So that's a good place to start.
You're gonna need another one.
Exactly. Let's bring another one on right now and put them together. And if I want to see the length which, by the way, we're measuring in the units of inches,
Mhm.
then what I want to do is I want to measure from the very, very beginning to the end. But if I know this is 9 and that's 9, then all I have to do is add them up. So
Oh, yeah.
9 plus 9, and I see that equals 18. So this is 18 inches long.
Not quite long enough.
No, so let's introduce one of the red paper chains, which we know is 4 inches. And when I stick that on, then I have to add 4 to the 18 that we already had. And so that's going to now be 18 plus 4. And 18 plus 4 is actually 22, and it's inches. 22 inches, and that's the length. And that's exactly what we wanted.
Yeah!
And so what we see is, the final answer is how many, what we need? Well, we'll need 2 blue paper chains and 1 red paper chain. And when you measure the length in inches, we'll see 22 inches. And that's the solution.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, do you know what time it is, Professor Burger?
Absolutely. It's time for aftermath. I wonder what's going to happen this time. And Joey.
Hi there, Professor Burger.
You're a giant.
I know, isn't it great?
It's great.
Hey, would you like to go and play some basketball? I think I'm gonna...
No, don't sneeze. Wait, don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Whew. I saved myself. Have fun with math. We'll see you soon. Okay, let's go to play basketball.